Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Golf Mk6 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools like a flathead screwdriver and a new H7 bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You'll need to locate the headlight assembly, which is behind the front bumper. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the bulb, you'll first need to carefully remove the front bumper. This usually involves unscrewing several Torx bolts located along the top and bottom edges. Once the bumper is off, you can then unscrew the specific bolts holding the entire headlight unit in place. Gently pull the unit forward and disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the back. With the headlight unit out, you can now access the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push it firmly into place and twist clockwise to secure it. Reattach all electrical connections. Now, carefully slide the headlight unit back into its position and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Reattach the front bumper, ensuring all clips and screws are properly fastened. Before you finish, turn on your car and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.